Here, in the suburbs of southern New England, we observe the North American real estate agent in its natural habitat. She has prepared the nest. Refreshments have been laid out. The sign-in sheet, a critical tool for capturing leads, sits untouched. And now she waits. Movement. A potential buyer approaches. A false alarm. Undeterred, the agent employs its secondary strategy. The social media post, a display meant to signal success to competing agents, regardless of actual attendance. But across town, a new species has emerged. This agent does not wait for buyers to come to her. Her content is already in their feed. Her brand is already in their home. She has evolved. Fascinating.